popular. You've made this for years, actually.
Yeah, this is like a go-to cocktail for me. It's a cocktail which is gin-based.
But you can make it with vodka.
You can make it with vodka, but I think this is the kind of cocktail that makes people who don't think they like gin actually like gin, because all gin is flavored vodka. It's just got juniper and other things in it. So
it's aromatics with vodka.
It's aromatics with vodka. So this is a muddling cocktail, so you need to get a muddler.
Or you can use a wooden spoon.
Or a back of a wooden spoon.
Right. You turn the spoon upside down and you have a muddler.
So
the handle's a muddler.
It is indeed.
You're a muddler.
You're a muddler yourself. So I'm going to start out with some fresh mint at the bottom of the shaker. And then I muddle it around 8 times. I want to express the oils, but I don't want to like bash it too much because that would not be cool. Then I'm going to get some berries here. Got strawberries, blackberries, whatever kind of berries you can find. Just put them all in there.
Well, you don't have to find them. You just order them online or go with your mask at a safe distance to the grocery store.
So for a normal cocktail, you would add maybe like 1.5 ounces of gin.
There are markers on the side of the glass, but you know you're making 2 of those, right?
Yes, so
okay.
I did 3 ounces.
Okay.
And you do 1.5 ounces of, this is, you know, I love this stuff, Saint Germain, which is an elderflower liqueur. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Kind of tastes
like flowers.
Like flowers, yeah, but
it's floral.
But not in a soapy, weird way, in like a nice, gentle, sweet way. So I'm going to add the same amount of elderflower liqueur. Then I'm going to add some lemon juice, freshly squeezed. You can add lime juice, any citrus.
Oh, so now we're getting our vitamin C too.
You got to tart it up a little bit. And that's the drink. And then you have to add ice, of course.
And the ice to the glasses, right? Isn't this one over ice?
Yeah. Why don't you add the ice to the glasses? And I'll shaky and get my exercise for the day.
All right. Oh, we have plenty of exercise around here. No shortage of that. No shortage of manual labor in our days. And what were these flowers?
Those are called Abbey Road.
I got these because these edible flowers, which I found online, by the way, they're literally called Abbey Road, and John, as most musicians are, is obsessed with the Beatles. So really we're having botanicals, antioxidants, vitamin C, delightful.
And there's our cocktail. Berry fresh.
Oh, very fresh. I very much love you.
Very much love you too.
Cheers, everybody.